Hello lovely people and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made my peanut butter at home. So let's get started. So I have washed my peanuts and I'm just taking away the bad ones and I'll be drying it under the sun. Now it is completely dried. I'll then go ahead to place my saucepan on fire and then I'll add some gari, or if you have salt or sand, you can use it because most people here use sand. So I've just added a little salt and then I'll pour my granite in this and I'll continuously stir it till it is all roasted. Do you want peanut butter that is not adulterated? Then watch this video and always make some for yourself. The reason why I added the gari was to prevent my peanuts from getting burnt so early. But other people don't add anything before roasting their peanuts. After some time, I'll pick some of the peanuts to peel the skin off so that I'll know whether it is completely roasted. Now my peanuts are completely roasted, so I'll just take it away from my frying pan. So at this stage, I'll let the peanuts cool before I try to peel off the skin. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share my video. My peanuts are now cooled, so I'll try to use my palm to rub them so that the skin will easily come off. After taking off the skin, I'll just send it outside so that I can easily blow the skin away and leave the peanut. Now, this is what I have after removing the skin of the peanut. So I'll still take the top part gradually so that the gari I use will settle at the bottom. You can see my peanuts were roasted perfectly because it has this golden color, which is so unique. I just love peanut butter and always I have it with me. Now I have finished sorting out my peanut and I have my food processor here, which I'll be using first before I move to use my blender. Because the children are around, they usually don't like the high sound of the silver crisp, so I'll just use this one to crush it to smaller pieces before I then transfer it into my other blender and then make my peanut butter. At this stage, I'll just add some coconut oil, and let me give you a gist. If you add a little coconut oil to your peanut butter, the taste is so nice. So I just love the flavor of the coconut oil. You may decide to add any other vegetable oil of your choice. At this point, I'll just transfer it into my Silvercrest blender and I'll blend it to form a paste. So now I'll be adding a little bit of the coconut oil again so that my blender can easily blend it. But if you make this in large quantities, you have to carry it to the grinding mill for it to grind it perfectly for you. So you can see my peanut is getting blended into the paste that I want. And I bet you the taste is so nice. Now that it has blended, I'm just transferring it into my bowl. So this is how I want my paste to be, because I'll be using it to spread on bread. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice time. Bye.